Because the more important part is, as soon as you unwrap my divine secret, you'll finally have the power to manifest money into your life and do it whenever you desire. I'm talking about money for a new car, money for exotic trips around the world, money for a cozy new dream home where you'll make lifelong memories. In fact, when you watch this video to the very end, I'm going to prove to you just how powerful a creator you are. As you harness this secret to manifest a financial blessing of $500, $1,000, even up to an extra $10,000, all starting in the next 24 hours. Yes, in as little as 24 hours from now, you will have proven to yourself just how powerful this secret is with real dollars and cents you can hold in your hands. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and being greeted with cash in hand you can use for anything you want. As you're about to see, this really can happen for you too, just like it has for thousands of others. I'll get to all the exciting details in just a moment. First though, let me back up and introduce myself. My name is Alexander Wilson, and for the next few minutes, you can think of me as your journey guide. My highest intention is to help you awaken a long-forgotten part of yourself, a God-given power to turn your greatest desires into an immediate command to the universe. So, if you're ready to unleash the greatness hiding within, then please take my hand and let's leap forward. Before I reveal my magic secret, I need to start at the beginning and share with you the deeply personal story that brought me here today. You see, not that long ago, I was living a lie, a secret double life. No, I wasn't some covert agent or hiding in the witness protection program. That's not the kind of double life I'm talking about. The one I was living was the kind found on social media. Because if you had come across my Facebook page back then, you'd think I was living the dream